Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to factory reset or hard reset your MOVA Z60 Ultra. Factory or hard resetting your robot is last resort of troubleshooting in case something doesn't work, but also if you're planning on setting the robot, that's exactly the same thing that you should do. Now, in order to do it, I'll show you how to do it, but yeah, you'll need to remove the robot from the station. Now, it's also important that if you have any problem with the robot and you're doing this hard reset for troubleshooting, feel free to look if we have a solution on the channel, because sometimes the solution isn't so drastic. Since, wait, I'll lift the robot because
Wheels are not in contact with the ground.
yeah, it is
Please
going
reposition
to...
the robot and start it again.
it is going to lay up. Yeah, just wanted to move around. Remove the lid. Now, if you don't want your map deleted and your settings set to default, because that's what reset does, then feel free to check out other videos on our channel on how to troubleshoot something. But well, if you need to do this like last resort, or if you're selling the robot, then under the lid you'll see this light, and it says reset/Wi-Fi, and it's actually a button. You can press and hold on it. Okay, it didn't do anything, so I'll place it like that so it's easier for me, and let's try like 15 seconds at least. And to press it, you can of course use a pin, a needle, any kind of tool. Okay, it didn't work again. I'll try using a different tool. Maybe that one can't reach it fully, so I'll use this like paperclip to click on it. Yeah, now it's a different thing. It clicked.
Restoring to factory settings.
And now it says restoring to factory settings. So that is basically it. It's done now. Let's just give it a moment so that it restores. It'll just restart automatically after that. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.